Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're checking out what is being called the best dent removal repair kit, the Tiantanghu Dent Puller 3-pack. If you've ever dealt with those annoying dents on your car, you know how frustrating and expensive it can be to get them fixed professionally. But with this kit, you can take matters into your own hands and restore your vehicle's surface without breaking the bank. The Tiantanghu Dent Puller Kit comes with 3 suction cups of different sizes. A large one measuring 4.5 inches and 2 smaller ones at 2.2 inches each. This variety allows you to tackle dents of various sizes on your car's body, glass surfaces, screens, and even other smooth objects around your home or workshop. Alongside these suction cups, the kit includes handy accessories such as a microfiber car wash mitt, a nano cloth for scratch removal, and buffing polishing pads. This means it's not just a dent puller but a comprehensive solution to help you clean, repair, and polish the area for a smooth finish. Built with high-quality ABS material and durable natural rubber suction cups, this tool is designed to last. The rubber is seamless to avoid scratching your car's paint, and the strong metal core in the handle ensures durability and effective pulling power. The largest suction cup offers an impressive maximum horizontal suction force of 110 pounds and vertical suction of 77 pounds, making it powerful enough to pull out stubborn dents. Using the Tiantanghu Dent Puller is straightforward. The recommended method is to heat the dented area with hot water, which helps the metal become more pliable. Then, clean and dry the surface thoroughly. Once ready, adjust the handle to the detached state. Press the dent puller firmly and perpendicularly onto the dent, ensuring good suction, and then quickly pull the handles upward with force. This motion works to pull the dent outward, restoring the original shape. If necessary, repeat the process until the dent is fully removed. This kit works best on clean, flat, and smooth surfaces, so it's important to avoid curved or porous areas where suction won't hold effectively. Besides car body dents, the pullers have versatile uses such as lifting glass, steel, furniture, doors, and even acting as a phone holder or screen remover. So, if you need a multi-functional tool for your garage or household, this kit has you covered. In summary, the Tiantanghu Dent Puller 3-pack offers a cost-effective, easy-to-use, and reliable solution for removing dents on your car and handling smooth surface objects. Its durable construction and included accessories provide a complete package to keep your car looking its best without costly trips to the repair shop. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in getting your hands on this dent removal kit or want to learn more, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.